Hi everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to avoid getting this watermark in Gemini, and I will show you alternative to Gemini which is better in quality and also better in generating images and completely for free. So instead of using Gemini and getting those watermark on your images, and also you can see that by downloading the image it only gives you a low quality image for free. So instead of that, just use Flow, and you can see that there is Nano Banana here, and by clicking on new project, as you can see, just paste your prompt here, and in those options you can see that you have Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro, and you can also set this to give you multiple choice. For example, I can set that to give me 4 propositions, as you can see, and you can see that generating will use 0 credit, as you can see. And instead of using Gemini, just use this one instead. And after using this new tool, you can see that I got 4 proposition using Nano Banana Pro and also without a watermark. And the best part about this new tool is it gives you the option to download up to 2K, so you can upscale your image. 4K basically are for premium, but you can download for 2K, which is not an option in Gemini, as you can see. So it is upscaling my image, and after that you can save your file into your computer, as you can see. And this how you can get better images and better propositions for free and without any watermark, as you can see. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave me a comment and a like. Thank you for watching my video.